Hi guys, let's learn Thai. I know there's a lot of sentences you want to say to the motorcycle taxi. Let's see what you can say to them. The first one, if you want to tell them where are you going to, so it's super easy. You say ไป and the names of the place and then add ค่ะ and or club at the end. So ไป the name of the place ค่ะ or ครับ ไปตลาดค่ะ The second one, if you want to negotiate the price, for example, they might say, oh, it's 100 baht and you want to pay only 80 baht. What you can say to them? The first one, you can say the price that you want and then you add the word ได้ไหม คะ or ครับ For example, you want 80 baht. Then you say 80 บาท ได้ไหมคะ 80 บาท ได้ไหมครับ Or if you used to pay 80 baht before to another motorcycle taxi, then you can say เคยนั่ง and the price ราคานี้ เคยนั่ง means you used to take a ride and then the price that you used to pay and then you say ราคานี้ which means this is the price that you used to pay. So it means, can you offer me this price? I used to pay this price before. So all together, เคยนั่ง 80 บาท ราคานี้ได้ไหมคะ or ครับ The third one, if you want the motorcycle taxi to be slower, you know it's Bangkok. They are fast and furious. So what you can tell them? The first one, you can say ช้าหน่อย ได้ไหมคะ or ครับ Again, ช้าหน่อย ได้ไหมคะ or ครับ It means please slow down. Or you can say ไม่ต้องรีบก็ได้ค่ะ or ครับ ไม่ต้องรีบก็ได้ค่ะ or ครับ It means you don't need to be hurry. The fourth one, if you want them to stop, you can say จอดที่นี่ which means stop here. จอดที่นั่น which means stop there. จอดที่นู่น which means stop over there. So again, จอดที่นี่จอดที่นั่นจอดที่นู่น Stop here, stop there, stop over there. And don't forget to point at the place that you want them to stop. The last one, I know a lot of you are living in the alley, which in Thai we say soy, and so many times you say soy in English. So if you want the motorcycle taxi to stop at the beginning or in the middle or at the end of the alley, then you say ไปต้นซอย the beginning of the alley ไปกลางซอย in the middle of the alley ไปท้ายซอย at the end of the alley. Again, ต้นซอยกลางซอยท้ายซอย I hope these verses are useful for you. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the next video, we are going to speak about the sentences that you can use with a taxi driver in Bangkok. Interesting, right? So stay tuned and see you in the next video. ไปก่อนแล้วนะ สวัสดีค่ะ